In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect electronic drums to EZDrummer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish a connection between any model of electric drums that you have and the EZDrummer software. So for this video, I chose to showcase this process with the Alesis Nitro Max as a reference. However, you can use any set of drums that you have. So all that you have to do, of course, is to establish a connection between your PC or laptop and the electric drums that you want to use. For this particular model, you will be able to connect it over a USB connection. So if your specific set of electric drums has a USB connection, it is going to be like this. So you plug one end of the proper cable into the module of the electric drums, and then the other end goes into your PC or laptop. For this one in particular, it is going to be a USB-B cable to USB-A. Of course, if your specific model has a different connection, then you just do that instead. Another common connection type is going to be MIDI. So you plug one end of the MIDI cable into the MIDI out port on your drum module, and then the other end of the MIDI cable into the MIDI in port on your computer, or if you are using an adapter, just do that instead. The baseline is that you have to establish a connection between the module for your electric drums and then the computer. With this done, you are basically good to go. You can now open EZDrummer. I'm going to be using EZDrummer 3 as a reference, and when you go over to these settings, you will find the options related to audio/MIDI settings. So go to audio/MIDI setup, and in here you will be able to control everything. So choose the output. This is where you will be able to listen to everything happening within the app. So you can choose the standard speakers that you have on your PC or laptop, or any sort of headphones that you have connected, and so on, and you will be able to control other aspects. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what to change, but to keep it simple, just make sure that you have an output good to go. You can test it at the right, and then see if the active MIDI inputs are correct. And as long as you see your electric drum kit on the list, you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect electronic drums to EZDrummer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.